Good morning, you have me, Stefan Lehman from Caxton Local Media, and I'm here with Mr. Gladwell. And now at Gladwell, we are here in Bree Street, just off the corner of it. As we can see, there's emergency services all around us. We're here following the collapse of Bree Street, following the alleged gas line explosion. Can you tell us a little bit more about what you experienced, what happened?
Yeah, so my name is Vulikhaya Ntusi. I stay in Soweto, but after 5, I was with my friend, taxi on my way back home. So we just talked with my friends, taxi drivers. So we just had the hit. It was maybe Bree Street is full of at that time. Taxis going out, some of them they are knocking off on the rush hour. And just or maybe taxi drivers or some sort or something falling down the bridge.
The buildings are collapsing.
Maybe something. I thought something that collapsed. Maybe something broke, something on the street here. And then. Because that when I came and then I saw it was painful, man. See some people broken down, arms, everything. And then I tried to go up and get some. Just tell it was like a horrible. It was very painful. But as the time goes on, I just left because it was dark, and then I tried to rescue some people. It was very bad. And I tried to get some taxis and some cars, try to make some.
And Mr. Gladwell, how long would you say that it took, first responders to attend to the scene here?
Yeah, it's a long time because traffic can't be and out.
Because the streets were so congested, it took them a while.
And no electricity, no jacket, and the rush hours to come and down. So very difficult. I thought maybe there can be some emergency that can come, let's say helicopters and stuff. But up to so far now, there's no. Well, I had one first off, but there was a lot of people who were broken. And then I tried to run some guys there. I was around. Then I tried some of them broken people, and then tried to get them out of the things.
And now you yourself, were you injured in any way?
No, not at all. I was just personally. I was in a hard myself. My guys there. So they were just asked where I have some, and then after so it was quite so it I tried to get some special old people.
Yeah, try to get the elderly and the young out of the situation as best as you could. And now, I mean, has this experience left you traumatized?
Yes, of course it was gathering all this stress, maybe something is I thought maybe this just last year, it's like, but not yet. There was no such injuries, but it's very terrible. But that's just going to use all about, but no injuries yet as it's supposed to. Okay. At that time, it was very bad. But all people I tried to ask them, call them, some assistance, and then I left.
What time did you leave the scene? Because you said this incident happened at about
After 5, those 5. I just left before 7.
Okay. No
I tried to get some assistance, and then I went. It was terrible. It takes cars. It was like, takes over each other. It was.
And like you described, it was like a horror movie that you were with. Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Let's hope those in hospital can
recover soon.
Their families as well.
Thank you very much. I really
have a blessing.
I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll see you guys in Washington.
Be safe.
We'll see you on traffic all over.
Thank you very much.